Guys, Planet Cleanup Hunger still on the move. We saw this guy picking up some rubbish, and I just called him to come over, and I had to give him some stuff. So put it in the bag. You know, it's hard times for everyone. So thanks to the sponsors and the people who give donations. This is where your money's going. Thank you very much. Keep on supporting. Don't forget to like and share these links so that we can create more awareness to all. I want to give you some snack, some milk. Mama, kakapong.
Very awesome.
Philippines. Here,
Thank you very much.
Okay. I saw some people on the street and planning on giving them some things. Some people are here. Over there behind me, check it out. So I'm gonna go get some stuff here. See what I have. Right, so I got packages. I'm just gonna give it. ครับ
ครับผ
ปอมไทยวิดีโอเพราะอยากให้คนดูต้องทำดีได้ดี
ครับผม
สวัสดีครับครับ Right, so yeah, that's it. Let's go look for more people.